guys, it is Jen with Mother Time. Welcome back to my channel. One more week before I start decking the halls for the holiday. I am so excited and I can't believe it's almost here either. And I cannot wait to take you along as I deck out my home for the holidays. Next week we'll be starting here in the dining room. So I thought today we would have some fun and check out some of the Christmas stuff at Dollar General. I love checking out what's at Dollar General. It is a fun treasure hunt. You never know what you're gonna find. I love going there to pick up jars and canisters for the gifts in a jar that I love to make. And you never know what you're going to find for Christmas decor. I also love picking up goodies too to make really cute and affordable gift baskets. So we're gonna check out two Dollar Generals and then come back and I will show you what I picked up. So grab yourself a yummy and cozy peppermint mocha, sit back, relax, and let's head to Dollar General. I love the selection of Christmas jars and canisters. They're perfect for gifts in a jar or to even use as decor. This cookie jar is super cute. It was $8. You could gift this and fill it up with some cookies or use as decor in your home. These cups are also so cute, and here's some more selection of jars. I love this one. I love the simplicity and the little white town around the edging. It's super duper cute. And these are always so cute and perfect for gifts in a jar as well. I also love this picture that coordinated with the canister. It was $6. This is so pretty to use as decor or to even use as a gift and fill it up with some goodies. And here's another really cute cookie jar for only $8 to use as decor or to even fill with some Christmas cookies to give as a gift. I also loved this canister. This would be really pretty on a Christmas coffee bar. I love this collection of decor. These angels are beautiful. They're like mango wood angels. Look at this beautiful house set. It reminded me of something I'd see at Pottery Barn for only $8. And this mercury glass votive candle holder for $2. This canvas picture is so beautiful and is only $12. I was super tempted to get this sign. I thought it was really cute. They also have this really cute tray for Santa's cookies for $10 and a great selection of other decor that's perfect to use even for tiered trays. Their ornament selection for $1 is unbeatable. I found a huge selection of really cute ornaments for only $1. Not only are the ornaments super cute for a tree, but they're great for present toppers too. And I loved these little lanterns. They would be super cute on a tree for only $2. They had some pine cone ornaments for $1 as well. I love picking up these cross stitch as well. They're perfect for gifts in a jar. And these snowflakes were only $1 too. Now moving on to some more of their dinnerware. I was blown away at some of the cuteness. Wait till you see the set of dinnerware. Also, look at this. It's so beautiful. If I was doing reds, I'd pick this up for only $1. They had the plates, the salad plates, and the bowl. Each piece was only $1 cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Again, if I was doing reds in my kitchen or dining room, I'd totally pick up the set. This is plasticware, which I also love to pick up to use for every day. And aren't these cute? I remember getting these for my kids when they were young too. So cute. Love these dish covers for $3. Perfect for gifts. I always love looking at Dollar General for things that I can use in little gift baskets too. Huge selection of mugs like this one too. And look at how cute the cup and plate are for cookies for Santa. And this little spoon rest was also darling as well. Cute little toothpick holder for just a couple of dollars. I also found this Lazy Susan for only $8. And look at this really cute candle. They had this one that smelled really good. This one smelled really good too. I was kind of tempted to get the green one. I didn't get it, thinking I might go back and get it. Now I'm at the other Dollar General and I found these really cute gingerbread ornaments, a set of 3 for only $3. Here's more decor. Love these deer. $5. I may spray paint them and paint them black to give them more of a Pottery Barn look. I love this lantern too. Isn't that pretty? I just thought it was so pretty. You could turn it on and off. Tons of signs for only $1. You can't beat that. This one was $1. You can hang them on anywhere in your home or to even to accent wreaths. Here is more of the jars. Look at how cute these are for gifts in a jar as well. This was another cute sign for $3. You can't beat that. How cute is that? I also love these pictures. Now they were sold individually. I think the biggest one was 10. Here's more ornaments that I found for $1. It's crazy. This is super cute also for a tier tray too. And I love these snowmen. The small one was 3. This larger one was 5. Super cute. And they even had the cute little coordinating birds, and I thought this tree was beautiful too for just $5. And I found the Santa too for $8. I love this entire collection, including these canvas pictures of Santa too. Isn't it gorgeous? Now I also did take a peek at the harvest selection, which a few of these pieces would be great for everyday decor. Very affordable as well. Huge selection of candles, which are great to use in your home or to even gift as gifts. This one is $6, smelled super good. I loved that look of this one. And these little tree shaped candles were only $1. Now the cute little one for $3. I love picking up these gingerbread cookies. I use them in my kitchen every year. This candle smelled so good, and some super cute signs for only $3 as well. Found this little stand for only $8, and here are some more dollar goodies. These would be really pretty to hang on a wreath for $1, and this one also $1 too. Come on, Dollar General, such cute stuff for just $1, and here is a really pretty tray for $5. And I also found this cup that looks like something from Starbucks for just $5. So how fun was Dollar General? Like I said, you never know what you're gonna find. I checked out too, but every time I'm driving past one and I have an extra minute or two, I always run in because I never seem to find the same thing. Like you do see some of the same things, but sometimes I'll see something at one that I won't see at any other Dollar General. So I always like to stop if I see one just to see what's in. Sometimes I'm in and out. Sometimes I'm digging through stuff. So it's always a fun treasure hunt. And like I said, such great things to find. The dollar ornaments, which are great, not just for the tree, but to use for present toppers or for the gift in a bag's embellishments. So much good stuff. So I'm going to show you what I picked up. First off, starting with something that I always talk about often over on my Instagram stories too. I love these. I picked these up for fall too. They're my favorite, and it is their sachets. They are the best, and they smell so good too. I wish you guys could smell these. So the one that I picked up is called Winter Welcome. I love the way this one smells. It smells like a Christmas tree. Like I picked up 2. And I love to use these on my front porch, even though most of the time the people coming to the front porch are UPS or the Amazon delivery. But it just makes the front entry just smell so great. I love tucking these in my bathrooms or around the tree or anywhere because these, you guys, are really fragrant. I've tried these at others from other stores too, and they're just not as good as these. And I love the fall ones too. There was another scent too, but I really loved this one. You get a 2-pack. For just $3, very affordable, and they smell great. You can even tuck these in your car. Speaking of which, I actually ran into the grocery store after I picked these up, and I came back and my car smelled like these. So you could even tuck them in your car too for a really great smell too. So definitely one thing I always recommend from Dollar General. Next up, I can't wait to show you what I picked up. I love this Santa canvas, you guys. Is it not beautiful? So they had this last year too. I did pick it up last year, but it was a little bit of a different color. This is very similar to the Hobby Lobby one. It's a little bit smaller. This one is a 22 by 28. It is on canvas, very well made, only $15. You can't beat the price on it. I just love the detailing on it. There is another style too, but if you are into the creams and greens and golds and the neutrals, look at this beauty. This may be going on my mantle. I may put this where I have my tapestry in my living room to switch it out, but I don't know if this will be too small. Thinking even about it in here too. I love this so much. Definitely be on the lookout for this at Dollar General. Again, you can't beat the price of 15 bucks. Really, I mean, it is a steal. I love this so much, and I could not resist picking it up. I love this one. I love the bells. I love the detailing. Absolutely gorgeous. And can you believe, from Dollar General, out of all places, such a great steal, such a great find. So be on the lookout for this beauty at Dollar General. Next up, I picked up the set of deer. Now these were actually silver, but I gave them a quick coat of black spray paint that I had on hand when I got home because these are somewhat similar to a Pottery Barn one that are not $5 each. So if you want that Pottery Barn inspired deer for a fraction of the cost, I just thought these were pretty. I love the antlers. And you can spray paint these any color. You don't even have to spray paint them. They were really pretty, the silver too. But you could spray paint them brown or white or red, any color that matches your Christmas decor. But I'm going with a very Pottery Barn inspired Christmas, and I love the black ones from Pottery Barn, but I thought I could dupe these a little bit and make these for $5, and spray paint I had on hand. You couldn't resist that. So I wanted to share these with you and also give you an idea. So if you see these and you want them to look kind of like the Pottery Barn ones, grab these for just $5 at Dollar General. And next up for my Christmas coffee bar, I picked up these beautiful mugs. I love the reindeer on them too. Aren't they pretty? I love the simplicity of them. I love that the reindeer go all the way around, just etched into the mug. I also love how big these are. So for a cozy cup of hot cocoa or peppermint mocha, really nice size. I just picked up two. Kind of wish I picked up another one, so I'll probably get another one too when I'm in the store again. But so pretty too. And these were only $3. I mean, you can't beat that. So you could also really keep for a gift too. You could put a little packet of hot cocoa in here and wrap this up. So if you love doing the gifts in a jar, what a great affordable gift idea. So pretty that whoever you give this to will love. But also too, for a coffee bar area, I just thought these were so pretty. I have white Santa mugs that I got years ago from Walmart, out of all places. They're so pretty because now Pottery Barn has similar ones. And these will just go really, really well with my theme for Christmas this year. So I could not wait to show you these too. And next up, I picked up this darling snowman. I just thought he was precious. Again, I love the neutral colors on him. I love that little sparkle. This was a smaller one for just $3. I mean, seriously, what an affordable price. Great size, especially if you love collecting snowmen. Super duper cute. And then there was a larger one for only $5. So you could get the set or just the one. Again, really pretty detailing on him. I just thought he was so cute. So I plan on using him in my kids' bathroom. I love decorating my kids' bathroom and my bathroom too, and all the bathrooms for the holidays. But this one is going in the kids' bathroom, and I just thought he was so cute. And not just cute for the holidays, but throughout winter too. And I also picked up this beautiful Snowflake Lantern too. I plan on using this in my kids' bathroom too. I may want to get another one. It's so pretty. Only $5. It's very affordable. I'm just going to put a little flameless candle in there. I love the black handle on it. Super pretty. I just love this. So this is going in the kids' bathroom along with the snowman too, and just another great find from Dollar General. And like I mentioned before, the ornaments for $1, you can't beat that price. I did pick up some ornaments, but just the packages of ornaments, I ended up finding these, and it was a 4-pack for just $3. And while it's not a huge deal compared to what you could find like at Walmart or Hobby Lobby, I just really like these in 4 for $3. These are really pretty for the tree, but also for bowl filler too. Now I may go in and distress them a little bit with a little bit of brown. I don't know, we'll see. Or even just maybe on the top part of the hook, I might go in with a little bit of brown. But I love the texture and the color of them. I thought they were so pretty. So I ended up picking up 2 packages of them. Because I really like them, and I thought they were a really pretty find also from Dollar General. And one thing I love to pick up at Dollar General every Christmas, I share this on Instagram every year when they come out, are these gingerbread cookies. Now I only find these at Dollar General. People have mentioned that they've seen them at Walmart too. I love them. Not only are they yummy, but these are super cute in a cookie jar too. If you have a clear cookie jar, I love to just kind of put them around, and they look so cute in the jar for Christmas. Again, they're really good dunked in some coffee or milk too. $3 a bag. Like I said, I only find them at Dollar General, so I scoop them up as soon as I find them, so I have them throughout the holiday season. These are really cute for like a charcuterie board too. Also for decor to put in your little jars. Really, really darling. They're really, really cute. They look just like the picture. I'll put a little picture here too of what they look like in my jars. I love to do that. I share it every year also on Instagram and Facebook, but always a find at Dollar General. And speaking of cookies, I also found at Dollar General these hot cocoa flavored Oreos. I couldn't resist getting them. I never tried them before. So I also found these at Dollar General too. And like I mentioned, I love picking up the jars and canisters at Dollar General. They're perfect for gifted jars, also to use as decor too. So I picked up a few of them. The first one I grabbed was this one. I was swooning over it at the store. I just love the detailing of the little village. I love the simplicity. It goes all the way around the jar. So super cute for a gift in a jar, but you could also add a little faux snow in there and a little flameless votive candle, which would look super cute. I may use this on my coffee bar area. I thought it was so pretty. It was only $3, so affordable. So really pretty for a gift in a jar too, but to also use as decor. Super pretty. It's got a wooden lid. Super duper cute, and they had the matching picture too. I thought was so pretty too. And I also picked up a few jars for gifts in a jar. I will link my video from last year above if you want to check that out. I also have a new one coming up this season too, so stay tuned. So the first jar I picked up was this really pretty one with the Christmas tree on it. I love the detail on it. Simple, beautiful. You can fill it up with a bunch of goodies. My beer bread is one of my favorites. That was in last year's video. You can check it out. And I just love the little topper. It's just got a simple Christmas tree. Super cute. This one was only $2. So affordable. I love the detailing. Now you could even use this for decor and fill it up with some faux snow and a little votive candles too. How cute would that be as well? So I picked up that one. And then I also picked up this one too. I love the detailing on the jar. So pretty, goes all the way around. This jar was $3. So I love grabbing these early in the season, so I have them for gifts in a jar. But again, this one would be really pretty for decor too, adding with some faux snow and a little votive candle. Easy peasy, really pretty. And then this just had a solid green topper, even a little gift tag too. So if you want to use it for gifts in a jar, you can fill it up with some candies, goodies, hot cocoa. Would be really cute, really pretty for a coffee bar too. You could have this filled with different, you could get a few different ones. Have your hot cocoa, have your little crushed peppermints, have your marshmallows in them. So many ways that you could use these for the home or to gift for the holidays. Okay, you guys, so that is my Dollar General haul. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing I found was and what you're going to be on the hunt for at Dollar General too. It was so much fun. I love going there and seeing what they have. And like I said, no two Dollar Generals are the same, so I always love stopping at them. And make sure you guys are following me over on Facebook and Instagram for daily decor and DIY inspo and lots of behind the scenes and stories. I love sharing things over there as well. Thank you guys for joining me here today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.